Okay, howdy folks. I'm at it again. Here's an old saw I just picked up. It's a Pioneer 2270 model 1200. Looks like a pretty interesting little saw. I think it has an automatic oiler, yeah. Choke. Exhaust. Oh, somebody's repaired the clutch guard, I see. Not seized. Gonna be alright. If you know anything about this saw or anything about it, let me know. It's a cool looking saw. Looks like it's on the bigger side of the small saws. I'm sure that it can hold its own in the wood. Stay tuned while I try to get this up and running one day. It won't be soon, but one day I'll get to it. Kind of my addiction. Well, check out my website, www.ratsleds.com. There's a whole bunch of cool stuff there, like monster mower projects, old rat sleds, just anything with a motor. Alright, take care, bye.